Welcome to Homemade Madhu. Let's make this DIY Diwali decorations at home. DIY housewarming decorations at home. It's a Dollar Tree DIY which could be used as an entryway decor. We'll see how to make this traditional looking tray. Few candle stands which could be used as diya stands, all with Dollar Tree items. Also this multi-purpose decorations which could be used as floor rangoli for wooden floors, diya holders or like wall decor. These are easy and inexpensive DIYs which could be made with all the items available right here in the US. But they add that Indian traditional touch and could be used for most of the festivals. Our first DIY are these candle holders or diya holders. For this, we would be needing candlesticks of various sizes. These I got from TJ Maxx. You could also buy the Dollar Tree ones and give them a coat of Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint. You could also buy from Marshalls. There are very good candlesticks in Marshalls too. Now to keep on top, these are the incense stick holders which I got from the candle section of Dollar Tree. Also this galvanized metal board which I got from the craft section of Dollar Tree. You can use either of them to keep on top of the candlesticks. Now I chose to keep these candlesticks which I got them from Burlington. A mix of materials and finishes would add a lot of dimensions to our showpiece. Hence I've mixed these metal ones with the wooden candlestick. For these incense stick holders, I gave a coat of red paint. Once it dried, I got these mirrors from Amazon and stuck them with the help of E6000. And this is our top of the candlestick ready, bright colored ones. And for these metal galvanized ones, I just gave it a spray paint, and to stick these on the candlesticks itself, I'll be using E6000, and this is how it looks. You could interchange the top of the candlesticks. Our third DIY would be this unique diya stand. For this, I'll be needing two massagers which are available in Dollar Tree. You'll have to stick these two at this point. For this, I'll be using E6000 glue. And after it dries, I'll be giving a coat of Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint. This is how it looks. We'll need something on top as a base to keep the candle. This is from a previous DIY. Please check the description box for the details. This too is from another DIY. The description box will have the links. Please check it out. And I'm going to place it on top of the base, and this is how it looks. Our fourth DIY is the stall candle holder. For this, we would be needing the stone candle holders from Dollar Tree. Give it a coat of Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint. I'm using two of them here, but if you want a taller candle holder, you can use 3 or more. You could use E6000 and glue them together, or use a double stick tape to attach them together so that you could use it for a different purpose once this festival is done. On top of it, we will be placing this candle holder. Again, the description box would have the link to the tutorial. Please check it out. And our tall diya stand, diya holder is ready. Our fifth DIY is this decorative pot. I'm using this candle holder from Dollar Tree, giving it a coat of red paint, and then just embellishing it with some pearl stickers or just any sequences, and this is how it looks. Our next DIY is this multi-purpose decoration. This could be used as a floor rangoli, wall decor, or as a diya holder. Now these plates which are used as the base for pots were available in Michaels. It's also available in Joann's right now. You can go buy them. And I've taken 3 of these mini pots. These are still available in Michaels and Joann's. I'm going to paint these with the simple acrylic colors. I've chosen the bright shades. It's your choice if you just want to go with orange and yellow, which are the festive colors. I just wanted a lot of bright shades in them so that I could use it all year round. And I've mixed the silver paint with all of these colors to give that metallic finish. Once the paint dries, give it a coat of this acrylic sealer. And then using these mirrors from Amazon and these pearl stickers and other sequences from Dollar Tree, this is how my mud plates look now. They can be used to place diya in it, and the light just reflects all over the plate, as you can see here. Also, you could just use it as a wall decor, just stick it with the help of double stick tape and it would look lovely. You could also use it to decorate the entrance of the doors or as a floor rangoli. Our next DIY is this traditional tray. This again is a multi-purpose decorative object. I'm using this Dollar Tree cookie pan available in the kitchen section of Dollar Tree. And for the handles, you could use these which I got from Amazon or these which I got from a thrift store. I just want to give them a coat of Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint only for the handles, and for the plate I would be giving it this red color. Once that dries, I'll be using this stencil which is also from Dollar Tree. It's actually a sticker. I'm going to use it as a stencil. I'm going to make some designs using this gold paint which is from Dollar Tree. Just use this sort of a sponge which is used for stickers. Just dab a little, take off the extra and dab it all over your stencil. Once that dries, attach the handle using E6000 and then give it a coat of this gloss finish acrylic sealer. You could add some sequences or these pearl stickers or even mirrors to embellish it. Other than using it as a tray, you could always use it as a wall decor or as a backdrop when you're doing your table setting, entryway table setting. And this looks even more beautiful when you have candles placed in front of it. Since we've used these bright, pleasant metallic colors, not only do they go very well with any backdrop like white or black, they also are apt for any season. Do give this a try and keep watching Homemade Madhu.